Some characters can create and throw their own items, which forms a crucial part of their game plan. Items can be used by any character, and doing well in certain matchups often heavily depends on using these items effectively. Here are all the basic ways you can use items. Press the attack button to grab an item either on the ground or in the air. You can also grab items by using a tilt attack or a dash attack right next to an item on the ground. In the air, you can do an aerial or an air dodge to grab items out of mid-air. Press the attack button while holding an item to throw it. You can throw the item farther than normal by doing a smash attack input. If you're using an item that has melee or projectile attacks, you can throw the item with the grab button and a directional input instead. In the air, you can throw the item in any direction you choose by inputting an aerial in that direction. Neutral airs will throw the item forward. You can also use smash attack inputs to throw the items faster and farther. Press the grab button on the ground or in the air to discard the item you're holding. In the air, the discarded item goes straight down. This is called a Z-drop. It's a crucial element in certain item combos. A few items in the game are much heavier than normal. You're limited to walking around slowly, throwing the item, or falling off the ledge and dropping the item. Be careful if you're using these items, as they leave you much more vulnerable than normal. Unless you're Donkey Kong, who can carry these items around with no problem. Items can be reflected if the opponent has a move that can reflect projectiles. In these cases, the items are sent back in the same direction they came from with more attack power. Villager and Isabelle can pocket items with their neutral specials. If the pocketed item is one from an opponent's moveset, and they can't spawn more than one of that item at a time, they will not be able to make any more of that item until it's unpocketed. If an item produces an explosion or an energy beam, then Ness, Lucas, Mr. Game & Watch, and Me Gunner can absorb those explosions with their down specials. They will heal the user for a certain amount depending on how strong the absorbed hitbox was. Kirby, King Dedede, and Wario can all swallow items on the field with their neutral specials. Most items will heal them for a small amount, but explosive items will harm them instead. It's possible to make opponents drop an item in their hands if they're hit hard enough. The game randomly determines if an item is dropped through specific formulas, but basically, the higher the damage of the attack, the higher the chance that the item will be dropped. These are all the basic ways items are used in Smash. If a character you play has items, you want to know how to use them optimally to win. If a character you're fighting against has items, you want to know how to use them effectively against them to win.